Hello viewers, this is Roshmi from Roshmi's Boutique of Kolkata. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you many more sarees. All are with pocket friendly budget, and there are cotton, resham check, semi katan, everything. So let's start. Saree number 1. This is cotton silk. See, I will show you the blouse piece first. No, this is palla, sorry. Here is the palla. See, this is a dual tone. Material is cotton silk. Material is cotton silk, dual tone. This is palla portion. The entire saree is like this. Entire saree is like this. Saree number 1. This is with a pink and yellow combination, dual tone. See, it is very pretty. There is a weaving also. Price is 1750. Price is 1750. Material is cotton silk. Here is the blouse piece also. Saree number 2, same material with a different color combination. See, this is green one. This is green one. I will show you. Very nice green with a leaf motif on weaving. Palla portion. Here is the palla portion. Material is cotton silk. Price is 1750. Today this is my last show before puja. So I am showing you all the budget friendly sarees for gift purpose and for your own purpose also. See, here is the view. These all are having blouse piece, running blouse piece. You can put on some contrast also. 1750. Price is 1750. Saree number 2, green shade with a leaf motif. Material cotton silk. Number 3, this is orange. This is with the orange and yellow combination. Price as usual 1750. Palla portion. Here is the palla portion, and this is the entire body. See, now the color is very rich, very nice one. And soft. The quality is very soft. I will show you the quality also. Price 1750. Here is the dripping view. All the sarees having a running blouse piece. See the material. I will show you the material. See how soft it is. Saree number 3, 1750. Now saree number 4. This is cotton chanderi. This is cotton chanderi. Very nice one for gift purpose also. Here is the palla portion. I will show you the blouse piece also. Here is the palla. Cotton chanderi. This tissue portion is the blouse piece. This entire tissue portion is the blouse piece. This is the saree, and the price is 2200. Price is 2200. Very budget friendly, pocket friendly. See, the base material is cotton chanderi. This one is also very soft with a pink and light orange combination. It is a palla, and after palla this portion is the blouse piece. Price is 2200. Next one resham check. Saree number 5. One resham check, yellow color, on which hand parshi work has been done. Hand parshi work has been done. Saree number 5. Price is 2650. Palla portion. See the palla portion. Resham check. Base material is resham check. Color is yellow, and see the work. And here is the work. Entire saree with this sort of work. And the price, this is also hand parshi. This is also hand parshi, and the price is 2650. Here is the palla. Price is 2650. Entire saree with the similar volume of work. See, this is the entire saree work. Hand parshi. Next one, peach color, same material, resham check on peach color. Viewers, if you liked my program, please share with your friends. For new viewers, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. See, here is the view. This will come in the front. It will be like this. This resham check will be like this. See, it will come in the front and rest in the pleats. See the pleats portion. Price 2650. Resham check, base material resham check, and this is peach color. Next one, another resham check. This is sari number 7. Sari number 7. See the work. See green color. See the work. How nice it is. See the scalloping portion also. Here is the view. This is machine work. This is machine work. But the sari is very nice one and the color is also very pretty. Anyone can wear it. See, here is the view. This sari is having a one blouse piece also. See, this is the blouse piece. Price is 2850. Price is 2850. Next one cotton mix and match. One cotton mix and match. Price is 1850. At the beginning I told you all are very pocket friendly, budget friendly sarees. Here is the half portion from palla. This work will go. Half saree is like this with Gujarati, hand Gujarati stitch. With hand Gujarati stitch, and the rest half with this block print. With this block print, rest half. This saree is also having a blouse piece. Price is 1850. Price is 1850. Cotton, base material is pure cotton, Bengal cotton, on which we have done work, half saree with the work and the rest half with the block print and also with the blouse. Price 1850. Similar type I will show you another two color. This is also Gujarati stitch. These are very comfortable sarees and very good for gift purpose also. Here is the palla. From palla, half saree will be like this. See the work. Half saree will be like this. This is chocolate color with orange and white combination. Here is the rest half. This saree is also having a blouse piece. See, this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price 1850. Next one, another Bengal Tat, saree number 10. For booking you can take a screenshot or mention the saree number. You have to send it to my number 9330866384. Here is the palla portion. From palla, half saree will be like this. See, from palla, half saree will be like this and the rest half with this block print. Rest half with this block print. This saree is also having a blouse piece. Price is 1850. Price is 1850. Here is the palla portion. These all are Bengal Tat, very comfortable and easy to wear, easy to wash. Now I will show you some designer cotton sarees. This is saree number, I think it should be 11. Yes, this is 11. Saree number 11. Base material is Tat, Bengal Tat. See, this portion is palla. This portion is palla. This portion, in this portion, another cotton material has been added. This portion, mix and match with this border. These all are another cotton. And this portion is printed. See, this portion is printed. And these are two type of different cotton material which has been added to make a border. See, just have a look, and this portion you see how nice it is. These all are weaved cotton, and the rest half, though it is on white base, but it is very elegant, I will tell you. Rest half like this, and here is the blouse piece. See, here is the blouse piece, and the price is 2450. 2450. Next one, sari number 12. Similar type, I will show you some similar type with different color combination, but something very different type. See, this portion is weaved, this portion, another cotton material. It was earlier one was on white, this is on pink. See, here is the view. I think it is very much clear with this view. I will show you the blouse piece also. On blouse piece I have also put this thing. See, price is 2450. Price is 2450. Base material is pure cotton. Base material is pure cotton. Next one, sari number 13. 13. Similar type. This one with ajrak. This one with ajrak cotton. See, mix and match. Palla portion, entire body will be like this with ajrak and indigo color, and here is the blouse piece. See, just have a look. Here is the blouse piece. Price is 2450. Price is 2450. This is sari number 14. Sari number 14, palla portion. See the palla portion. This portion is another cotton material. This portion is printed. This is another cotton material. I have made it on a mix and match basis. Palla portion. This portion is printed. This part is printed part. These all are material, and this one is also printed. Very good looking elegant sari. See, here is the body. Best color. I have a request to show some saris on white base. That's why I am showing you. See, here is the blouse piece. This is also 2450. All the blouse piece. All the saris having a blouse piece. Next one, sari number 15. Sari number 15. This is also of that type. See, palla portion, and the entire body with the border, and this thing printed part. This half portion will be with the buta, and the rest half like this. These all are very sober looking sari and very comfortable material. See, this is the blouse piece. Price is 2450. 2450. Next one, another cotton, but it is applique. On Bengal Tat, applique work has been done. See the applique work. This is machine applique with the blouse piece. Entire sari with the machine applique, and here is the blouse piece. See, this is the sari. Price is 2650. Entire sari with the same applique work. Price is 2650. See the work. Next one, Sari number 17. This is also applique, but this is hand applique. The earlier one was machine applique, but this is hand applique. This is hand applique. See the view. Here is the view. This sari is also having a blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece also. See, here is the blouse piece. This is sari number 17 and the price is 2250, 2250. Price is 2250. Have a look. Now this is also Bengal ta. Now sari number 18. Sari number 18. These all are chiffon. See the work. See the work. Price is, this is chiffon material. Price is 2450. Price is 2450. See the entire sari. The color is light baby pink. It's very nice looking with a very light weight. Price is 2450. 2450. Material is chiffon. I will show you the blouse piece also. See, here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, light pink color, baby pink color, and this is the entire view of the sari. Here is the entire view of the sari. Price is 2450. 2450. Another sari, similar thing with a different color combination. I will show you. Price is as usual 2450. See, this is light orange or peachish orange you can say, but this is shade of orange. It is much more orange than peach. Same work, same design, same price 2450. I have shown you two colors. 2450. Material is georgette and chiffon and very soft. See, here is the blouse piece. And this is the view of the entire sari. This is the view of the entire sari. Price 2450. Now one black one. See the sari. See the black sari. It's really marvelous. Very nice, very nice. Material is same, chiffon. These all are machine work definitely. Otherwise I cannot provide you 2450. But sari is very nice and very comfortable. See, here is the blouse piece. Price is 2450. Price is 2450. See, just have a look. Another one, it is on white base. Sari number 21. This is not white exactly, this is cream color. I made a mistake. The last sari which I have shown, sari number 20, black one, that is also 2650. 2650. And this is also 2650. First two, that is pink and peach is 2450 and then black and cream is 2650. Material is chiffon with work, with machine work, and very soft comfortable material. And here is the blouse piece. See the blouse piece. See, just have a look of the entire sari. The price is 2650. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the sari number. You have to send it the picture to my WhatsApp number. Another last cotton. This is sari number 21. 21. See, palla portion with the flower motif. This is also machine embroidery. This is also machine embroidery with a blouse piece, with a very nice blouse piece. See, this is sari number 21, cotton base with jori check tat with a blouse piece. This is sari number 21. Viewers, I have shown 21 or 22, I will mention you. Viewers, I have shown you so many saris of all are of pocket friendly budget. I think you will like it. If you like, please share with your friends, relatives and subscribe. Definitely press the bell icon to get the notification. My contact number 9330866384. Shipping charges is free all over India. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. You have to pay through Google Pay or net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Thank you.